Tired of juggling a million different tools to run your online business? In this video, we're diving deep into GOHIGHLEVEL versus System.io, two powerful all-in-one platforms, so you can finally choose the right one for your needs. First up, website building. Both platforms offer drag-and-drop builders, but GOHIGHLEVEL provides more flexibility and customization options for advanced users, while System.io's simplicity is perfect for beginners. Next, let's talk email marketing. System.io shines with its user-friendly automation workflows, but GOHIGHLEVEL's robust CRM integration gives you a more complete view of your customer interactions. Now, for sales funnels. Both platforms allow you to create effective funnels, but GOHIGHLEVEL offers advanced features like A/B testing and dynamic content insertion to optimize your conversion rates. Finally, membership sites. System.io's simple membership site builder makes it easy to get started. GOHIGHLEVEL provides a more comprehensive system with features like drip content and course progress tracking. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific business needs and technical skills. If you need in-depth customization and CRM integration, GOHIGHLEVEL is the winner. However, if you prefer a simple and affordable all-in-one solution, System.io might be the perfect fit. Make sure to like and subscribe for more in-depth comparisons, and tell us in the comments which platform you are leaning towards.